Kukula. Izenzo. Chisa Morgan Tsvangirai Chisa.
First of all, I would like to acknowledge our father, Mr. Collins Tsvangirai, who is now our father. I would also like to acknowledge Edwin, the first son of our president, and Vincent, who is a twin to Millicent, my son. I would also like to acknowledge Apostle Locadia. I would also like to acknowledge all ambassadors, because there are many. All ambassadors, Vamritirwa, I know there's Kagoro, I know there is many people who are here. So I'd like to acknowledge all of you. We used to say, Morgan is more. More jobs, more food, more education, more life, more happiness. But today, we are gathered here to say Morgan is no more. It is a sad day for all of us. I'm one person who has been on President Tsvangirai's side 20 years ago.